Lesson 9. Aboard, adverb, preposition. In order on a ship, train, or airplane. Jason jumped aboard the train just before the doors closed. Blast, noun, a strong wind or movement of air. An icy blast blew to the room where Caleb opened the door. A loud noise. The whistle gave 2 blasts, and then the ship began to move away from the dock. Verb, to blow something up. To begin the tunnel through the mountain, the workers need to blast these rocks. Used with off, to go up in the air or into space. Raisa and her family will watch the rocket blast off at noon tomorrow. Career, noun, the kind of work a person does for many years. After finishing college, Ramona chose a career as a firefighter. Cautious, adjective, careful in order to avoid mistakes, trouble, or danger. Ray and Teresa were cautious when they saw the icy sidewalks. Girder, noun, a large strong piece of metal or wood used to support bridges or buildings. These steel girders support the railroad bridge. Inventor, verb, to make something for the first time. In 1868, Margaret Knight invented a machine to make square bottoms on paper bags. Noun, inventor, a person who thinks up or makes something for the first time. The inventor of the electric light bulb was Thomas Edison. Rotate, verb, to turn in a circle around a center. Our planet Earth rotates like a spinning top. To take turns in a certain order. Miss Wu rotates the job of group leader to a different student each week. Story, noun, a report of something that happened. A story about the science fair at our school was in the newspaper on Tuesday. A tale that is made up. It is often written down for people to read. Katha is reading a story about a mouse named Stuart Little. The space or rooms that make up one level of a building. The Empire State Building in New York City has 102 stories. Strand, noun, one of the threads that are twisted together to make string, yarn, or rope. It is also a single hair. The oriole pulled a strand from the brush and flew off to its nest. Verb, to leave in a difficult or helpless position. The snowstorm stranded my aunt and uncle at the airport for 12 hours. Tower, noun, a building or a part of a building that is taller than it is wide. During our visit to Paris, friends, we walked up 360 steps to reach the first level of the Eiffel Tower, to rise high in the air. At 5 feet, Theo towers over his baby sister.